Those are beautiful.
When we came here, the walls were blank, so I figured, hey, what better way to fill it with artwork that we had from the past.
When I see all these different murals, I see the different students' faces painting them. This student, Janae, she brought in her rabbit to see the murals. She snuck in her rabbit.
The main goal is to really create a Maywood Academy culture. One that is not, oh, I go to Capital Region BOCES school, I go to Maywood Academy, in the sense of pride when they say it.
I have had some students come back with their children to show them what they painted. The teamwork and camaraderie that was through this whole project. And the kids wrote letters from around the world to different countries, and then we received things back, and then the students picked what they liked, and the artist drew them on the wall for the students.
This project really aligns to what we're trying to do as a school.
This is very special because two students, Steve and Zeb, this was their mural. They came up with this from the stories we read. This increased their attendance. They always said, we can't believe our teachers are letting us paint the walls. This is a good reminder. This really changed these two students' lives, I think.
When I first came to Maywood, this was the first thing I noticed, all the color that was in the hallway, and when I noticed the kids' names on there. It was sad seeing all the work that went into it, and we wouldn't have a piece of it.
The blues were all from different people. We got a lot of donations. Everyone took part. I mean, some like to roll the paint, some like to do the fine details, some just like the borders. It's beautiful, just beautiful. I could still see them painting there. This was a little student that used to walk down the hall, and that's what he would say to you, frog's gotta do what a frog's gotta do. And he was so excited to see that.
Whenever you go to a school that you went to, if you know a little piece of you is on the walls, you feel a little more pride. I didn't want to lose that because we moved to another location.
Good memories for those of us that worked on it, and I think just those who worked in the building, it's just a part of us, the Maywood history. So many good memories and students hard at work.
I think this is a good way to kind of bring it back to Maywood.